Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unpopular makeup opinion tag. I just saw Tati do it and I looked some other people's up that had just done like unpopular opinions, and there's not a specific set of questions. You just compile these unpopular opinions that you have and talk about them all in a video. And honestly, I would really have to sit down and think about my unpopular opinions. If they come up, I'll just jot them down on my phone or something, and then I might do a separate video. And the original video is from Ola Quinn. I'll link the video down below. She actually lists the questions in the description box, so that makes it a lot easier to go through. So let's just go ahead and just get right into it. So the first question is a popular makeup product you don't like. What do you really think about that? I think the most popular product that I don't really like is just ridiculously blinding highlighters. I just don't like the way they look on my face. They look really cool on other people. They can look really beautiful, and it definitely is like a work of art type of thing. But for me, I don't want to see like a strip on my face of highlight. For like editorial type stuff, photo shoots, that stuff is really cool, but on a regular basis, I just don't think it looks good on me to go out in public and just have like streaks of highlighters. So Ofra and Becca are both really known for their intense highlighters, and I don't own either of those. I've swatched them in stores before, and I just feel like I'm intimidated by how intense they are, and I personally just like a more natural highlight, even a little bit more intense than a natural highlight for like special occasions and more glam looks. But for the most part, I'm not really big into that just bam in your face strobe light looking highlight. Popular makeup product slash brand that everyone else seems to hate but you love. I honestly don't feel like I have an answer to this. Almost all of the makeup that I go out and buy is based off someone on YouTube telling me to go buy it. The people I watch on YouTube don't tend to be super negative, and if they are negative about something, it's usually about a particular product and not a brand in general. Honestly, when I really think about it, I cannot think of a brand that a lot of people hate on that I really love. Makeup collab you didn't like or were not interested in. That for me is gonna be the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. I don't watch Jaclyn. I know a lot of people buy collabs just because it's someone that they really like to follow, and for me, when the first big palette that she came out, I was intrigued by it, but I wanted to see what other people said about it before I went and purchased it. But then when she released the vault with the 4 different palettes, I felt like they were beating a dead horse with this. And another collab that I actually was not interested in, and it's from my like all-time favorite YouTuber, is Casey Holmes. She just came out with this InStyler collab wand curling thing, and I am terrible with hair. You guys know, you see my videos, I have the exact same hair in every single video. I have no idea how to curl my hair. My best friend curls her hair with a straightener, and she's curled my hair with a straightener. I have a straightener just like hers, and I don't know how to do it. I can't figure out how to do it. She's tried to show me, she's tried to talk me through it, and I'm just dumb. I felt like the price point on this collab was a little expensive. I'm assuming it's the same price as the original one, so $125. I feel like for me that's a lot when I don't really know how to do stuff with hair. So for that reason, I wasn't interested in that collab. Popular makeup step that you never do. If you had asked me this question a couple months ago, I would have said baking, and I would have said priming my eyes with like a separate primer, but now I do those things. I would say now probably just contouring in general. I'm just not good at it. I'm always afraid I'm gonna look muddy or dirty. And I usually skip lip liner as well, just because I think I literally have 2 lip liners right now. So I just go straight in, and honestly, that's to my disadvantage a lot of the time. Popular beauty influencer that you don't subscribe to or watch. There's actually probably a lot of people that I don't watch. I just can't commit to that many people. The people that I follow, I tend to try to watch like all of their videos or a lot of them. I don't subscribe to Jaclyn Hill. I don't subscribe to Laura Lee. I'm not subscribed to Nikki Tutorials, but I will watch some of her videos sometimes. I don't follow Thomas Halpert. I don't follow Nikita Dragon. It's nothing against any of these people, really. I just don't follow them. Popular makeup product slash brand that you don't use slash support anymore. I only purchase cruelty-free makeup, so I'm only purchasing from brands like that. When I decided to go cruelty-free, that was like a few years ago, and honestly, it's been really easy. A lot of brands are cruelty-free now, so I stopped using NARS when they stopped being cruelty-free. I stopped purchasing from Benefit when I went cruelty-free, which really sucks because I'm really intrigued by a lot of Benefit's products. I just wish they would go cruelty-free. I've never even tried the products or anything, so I can't say anything about the quality of the products, but Huda Beauty, I know there was a big thing with them where they said they were cruelty-free, but then they came out with real mink lashes, so that they're obviously not cruelty-free, but they were still saying that they were worse. So for that reason, I'm not going to try the brand. But even before that, I won't say that I was super interested in any of the products. A makeup trend that you have no interest in trying. All those crazy ones, I'm not interested in trying. The crazy ass eyebrows, anything that's just like really out there. I'm a mild person when it comes to my makeup. Super overlining your lips. I will overline my lips a little bit, but honestly, it's usually not on purpose. It's just because I'm really bad at staying in the lines. Colorful highlights, I'm not into that. Colorful face products in general. Those super glossy lips that just look sticky. I'm not even a big fan of glossy lips to begin with, and I see those like almost latex looking, but they just look so thick, almost like you have like an icing or something on your mouth. I can only imagine if you're outside and the wind just blows and your hair just, you would have gloss all in your hair for the next year. I'm not interested in that look. When you eat, I'm sure it would get all over your food. You couldn't kiss anybody. It'd just be gross. And the last question is a makeup product that was better in theory than when you used it, either swatched better or worked better on others than on you. All those brands coming out with the roller eyeliner with the wheel, I don't get how anyone thought that was gonna be a good idea. I guess like for the wing, but when you get to your eye, like your eye is shaped like a curve. It's not like straight across. So how was that wheel gonna work? I don't know. The Beauty Blender foundation, I've not tried that foundation, but the applicator where it like squirts out on the package and then you like take your Beauty Blender and like dip it in there. That seems like a really nice idea, but then it's all dirty and you would have to wipe it off every time to travel or to store it. And then it's like you're kind of wasting a lot of product. Double-ended brushes, they're still making them. People love them because it's like you get two brushes in one. I don't like it. I tend to like to buy brush kits just because like I just want to get the whole kit and caboodle all at one time. I see a dual-ended brush and I won't buy it because I store my brushes in like cups. So one end's gonna get smushed and crushed and just honestly forgotten about. That was it for these questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ugh, I just suddenly had a salty taste in my mouth. It's kind of gross.